Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Monica. Before we get started, I would like to thank all of my old subscribers. Thank you for supporting my channel. And to all of my new subscribers, welcome. I am so glad you're here. While you're here, go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button as well, and then go ahead and click that bell for notifications so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Today I'm going to try something a little different again. I am going to be doing my spread with this paper pad that I got from Michael's, and this is just the Beautiful Day paper pad, and it's got a lot of pretty different, it's mainly used for scrapbooking, but I want to do something different with it. I want to try to use it in one of my spreads. Like this right here is so beautiful. I want to learn how to make dashboards, so I will be experimenting with some of those for my A5. But I like this one. It's so abstract and it's just coffee. I love it. So I'm going to be using this paper pad, and it's got some macaroons and some coffee cups. And what I'm going to be using is my small Happy Planner punch. I got rid of most of my Happy Planner stuff, but not all, because I knew this would come in handy. And I also have the big one that I use sometimes, but I'm going to be using this one. Now, I did a sample, if I can remember where I put it. Here it is. With the punch in another paper pad, and it's slightly bigger than the box and the horizontal. So what I did, I just, you know, made a little tick mark and then cut it. And then I'll be measuring all of the punches I use with this box. And then here is some washi that I found in my collection that either came from Hobby Lobby or Michael's, that I will be incorporating into my spread this week. So hopefully this will work. I'm kind of nervous about it. I kind of did like a test in the back of my planner. I did get the 18-month horizontal, but I'm only going to use it for a year, and I'm using the rest of the pages as test pages for things such like this. So let's go ahead and we're gonna get started. I'm not going to talk through me punching and laying down the washi. I'm not sure which one I'm going to use, but I do have both the Tombow permanent adhesive and the Tombow removable adhesive. I don't know which one I'm going to use. I may end up using the removable just in case I want to move one of the squares around. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get started. Oh, I am so sorry. I am planning for the week of August 10th through the 16th. This is an emotional week for me because I am going to be on my last day of my current job. If you have been on my channel for the last couple of weeks, I'm going back into education. The teachers go back on the 21st. We originally were supposed to go back the 13th, but the school board Friday announced that we will be going back on the 27th, and the kids will be going back that following week. So yeah, I'm gonna essentially have 2 weeks off to get some things done around the house. So yeah, this is gonna be very emotional for me because I love the school I worked for before. I was an administrative assistant, but when the opportunity came back for me to be back in the classroom, I took it. So but we'll get into that another day. But I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward through all of this. And there's a mosquito in here. My husband took out the trash earlier and a mosquito just accidentally came in here. And we are gonna go ahead and we're gonna get started. guys, this is what this turned out so far. Let me zoom you in just a little bit more. I think it turned out cute. I'm going to now I have some stickers. I have some, of course, with Christian Designs. Let me see if I can find a cute weekend banner that will go with this. Not in that book. So yeah, you guys, I'm feeling kind of emotional about leaving. I've been there 1 year and 3 months. I literally got the call that I was hired on my birthday last year. I feel like I've gone through a lot. And this is from the Christian Designs Michael's collection. And you know, I put my weekend banner on between Saturday and Sunday because for me that is the weekend. But I have been feeling kind of, you know, it was just like bittersweet about it. And here I am. I'm not feeling sorry for myself, but I am feeling kind of emotional about it. So let's see. Besides that I have going on this week, there's not much. Let's see here. Oh, it's a success in finding the weekend banner. Yay! Yay, 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 yay. Now, I'm looking for my Also Paper Co stickers. All right, you guys, sorry about that. My camera cut off, but I am feeling kind of bittersweet. So I'm going to get my Also Paper Co stickers out, and I'm going to use this one, Minnie and Mr. Man, because my husband and I, we have dedicated time on Thursday to spend together because one, I'm going to be off. Trey will be at daycare. And it's just, that will be literally the only time we'll have off because I'm going Sunday to pick up Lily and EJ. So that will be the only time we'll really have together this week is Thursday. And of course I work out every day, but let's see. Thursday is also payday. I don't want to use that though. I don't want to use that. Let's see here. Let's see here. Let's go into my little sticker book. And this is the Capital Sheet Designs and Michael's collection. I just use a lot of my leftover stickers in here. You know, I just leave them, you know, I'll take them off the kits and stuff and then put them in here. Like this one, like these are my budget stickers, a bunch of no spend and grocery shopping stickers. And then I also have some, I was starting to put the no spend colorful in here. There you go. And then all of my payday stickers. So I'm just gonna grab a good payday sticker from here. And no, that's not why we're spending time together. That's literally gonna be the only time we're gonna have together. And I like this book so much. So we're gonna put that payday sticker right. I can't do anything right today. Like this day has just been, and I know it's because I'm coming to the end with this particular position and it's move-in day for our students. I work at a junior college, but I'm going back to the classroom and I'm gonna miss seeing them every day. So Thursday is payday. I'm gonna use this as a journaling section to see, just to show how I'm feeling this week. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use one of these stickers right here to just indicate that I'm going to journal right here, and this is Peekaboo. Peekaboo about my feelings. And this is what I'm going to do this week as far as journaling is concerned. I'm going to sum my week up. Let me zoom you back out. Zoom again. I'm just going to journal my week and how I've been feeling, because if I feel anything like I'm feeling now, I'm going to be very emotional. Very, very emotional. So yeah. What else? What else I've got going on this week? Let's go to my Wild Summer Design stickers. You guys, if you want to order some Wild Summer Design stickers, use my code Monica40 for 40% off your order. Oh yes, I have to watch. This week is the series finale of Greenleaf. And I'm so sad. It's going to be a 2-hour special. I'm not going to ruin it for anybody. But I'm kind of emotional about it. I love this show, and I so hate that it's coming to an end. Let's see if I can layer this on a flag or something. Do I have a flag that will match this? I do. Or a box. There we go. And I'm so sad, you guys, that it is coming to an end. I really am. Like, I'm so sad. Because it was like, it was just getting good. But there are talks of a spinoff, so let us hope. Let us hope. Let us hope. Okay, let's turn this over. Like I said, Sunday we're going down to pick up Lily and Nehemiah. Olivia has fully moved in with my mom because her college is closer. Where she goes to school is actually closer. So it just made sense. My mom had a spare room and she was like, if it makes it easier, come on. Also, even though they're going online this semester, online only, you know, there may still be some reason she needs to go, and I don't want her to travel from where we live all the way to where the school is. So it just made sense. Plus she has a job there. So it just, like I said, it just made sense. Of course, I still support my child. She still calls me, Mama, I need this. Mama, I need that. And me as her mama, I'm gonna do whatever it is I need to do to make sure she has what she needs. You guys, I'm looking for a car sticker. I thought I had one, but I don't. Thought I had one, but I don't. And that's okay. I'm not gonna stress about it. So, as I sit here and look through more books, I'm not gonna stress about it, but I'm looking through books. Isn't that funny? Trying to find a car sticker and I don't have one. Quit looking, Monica, quit looking. So this is it, you guys, for the week. I didn't get to write much in. Like I said, I'm going to journal my feelings about this week. I'm nervous, but I'm excited at the same time. Like I said, this will denote watching the series finale of Greenleaf. It's so sad. Payday, the time my husband and I are going to spend together. This weekend banner came from not Wild Summer Designs. Lord, excuse me. The TV came from Wild Summer Designs. This came from Christiane Designs. And the quote-unquote kit I used is this Beautiful paper pad. I'm excited. I love the way this turned out, you guys. It is so freaking cute. I love it. I absolutely love it. I just wanted to do something different again this week because you know, using kits are fun, but I really, really, really wanted to show my creative side. And I think I got it. I think I got it, you guys. And of course, if you want to see pictures of midweek, weekend, and after the pin, follow me on Instagram at planningwithmonicas. What else? Remember, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for notifications, and please thumbs up this video because you like it. Yes. And I'm gonna get off here and go ahead and get ready for bed. And in the meantime, in between time, be safe, be blessed, and you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day. Goodbye.